Hello everyone, my name is Sejal. I live in New Delhi. I'm the student of Smartech Education and I found the Smartech in Google website. The Smartech rating is a 5 rating. That's why I attract. When I come in query, I found there was a Neha ma'am who guided me how I learned the spoken English step by step. They told me first I learned the basic, then advanced. The next day there was my first demo classes taken by the Ridhi ma'am. The class was outstanding. The environment was so friendly. I learned the different things. After that, I keep coming here and I keep learning the things. In the class, we're doing group discussion. I learned lots of vocabularies, lots of new words, and the ma'am give us lots of grammar section. Due to some problem, ma'am not able to continue classes. After that, Avinash sir came and they taught us. Avinash sir is the way of teaching. Avinash sir is outstanding. We can't compare Avinash sir to another person. When Avinash sir taught us, we simply emerge on it. Means we not look here and there. We simply follow the sir and we keep learning the things. In daily classes, we are doing group discussion, we are doing vocabulary, we are doing role plays, we are doing lots of things and we learn it. And the one thing I liked is role play. I must play the role of financial minister, and that time I play the role of the prime minister and the education minister. And I love to play the role, these types of role, and I learned lots of things from. The sir gave us lots of topics. The topic related my life. Actually, for my first topic was how to achieve a success, and the second topic how to set a goal. These types of topics sir gave us, and we gained the knowledge from these topics, and we learned something from it. And the class was going and I keep learning the things. And right now I'm also keep learning. But still, for me tense is a very difficult. I never learned the tense, but when the sir taught us tense, I will able to speak any formula of the tense right now. Before 3 months, I'm not able to speak English, but at that time, I will able to speak in front of you. As you can see that, now I'm able to speak anything, any topic. So for me, Smartech is not only an institute, Smartech is a family. When you come here, you definitely learn something. Means the Smartech members also support me. They also guided me when the absence of Avinash sir. And when you come here, you feel like that your family, your friend, your family, your friends, they taught you. They are not teachers. They behave like a very friendly with you. We learn the things in our comfort zone. And last, I've only concluded Smartech is the best classes for spoken classes. When you are searching for any spoken classes, you must come here and you must learn the things. Definitely you learn the things because I learned the things, so I will feel it. If you will be learn many of things from Smartech Educations. The words is coming from my inner soul. The words is coming from my inner way. They're not made by any content. I never copy any content from any Google website. Another, I made the content on myself, and I am able to speak right now. Randomly, I will speak. So for me, Smartech is the best classes for me, and I also advise to all you to join the Smartech family, and definitely you learn something. Thank you.